Hello, what is up mga moms or sir ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the ZD Toys Ultraman Jack Armor. Thank you very much Laro Anan for sending this action figure for unboxing and review. Kung gusto niyo bumili ng mga Iron Man, Ultraman, Funjoy, Batman action figures, punta lang kayo sa Laro Anan on Facebook and Laro Anan on Shopee. Thank you again, Laro Anan, for sponsoring this video. So first, the packaging, very high quality cardboard box. You have the printed part all over the sides. Shot of the action figures up front. Some Chinese or I think Japanese text dito sa taas. Jack, ZD Toys logo. Tapos dito naman sa side, Zongdong Toy, and shot of the action figure with the long blade. Dito naman front shot, tapos ito dynamic poses, all accessories, some Chinese text, QR code, barcode. Dito naman some Japanese text. Tapos dito merong magnetic flap, very large box. Kasi hindi lang dalawang tray to mga ma'am sir. Yung first tray, nandito yung action figure. Yung second tray and third tray, nandito lahat ng accessories. Dami niyan. Tara, buksan natin isa-isa. Alright, dito sa first tray ng accessories, you have the shield, you have the pole, tapos meron din ditong force field na color green, and then you have the base na hexagonal base, yung very generic na base na ginagamit ni ZD Toys. Tapos dito naman sa second tray of accessories, you have the alt hands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you have the Ultra, I think this is called the Ultra Axe. Tapos meron siyang sword na merong mga segments. Tapos ito yung green effect, parang axe effect dun sa na kinakamit dun sa weapon niya. Okay? Tapos meron din siyang alt head. Tapos dito naman sa third tray, we have the action figure itself. Very bulky and very heavy compared to other ZD Toys na action figures. Alright, this is Ultraman Jack out of the packaging. If you haven't seen the Netflix series, panoorin nyo na mga moms or sobrang ganda. Ganda ng mga scenes, yung mga suit ups, and then yung final battle. Okay? So this is the front, this is the side, this is the back, and this is the other side. So let's start with the head. Yung color palette pala niya muna. Color palette is red and silver, tapos meron ditong blue na color sa chest niya. So yun lang yung, and also some black parts. Okay, let's start with the head. Meron siyang parang fin dito sa gitna ng kanyang head, and also hindi ito LED version. Sana maglabas pa sila ng mga LED versions ng mga Ultraman action figures. That would be very